Hey Paul, so this is your Facebook page. Looks like you don't have too many people that follow you, but it looks like you got it filled out pretty well. Um, so that's good. So able to find your website and everything here. Go into your website. You can see it looks nice. Doesn't look like it has a lot of content though. Looking at a word count, you got 679 words. I would definitely add some more content there. More, you want to make it with keywords organically in it. Google loves content. It's king. It'll help you rank in Google searches. Another thing is saving your images. You get that one saved as made service. If you want made service to be a Google term that you rank for, that's good, but you would probably want to put Columbus, Ohio, or just Columbus on this as well. You don't just want to rank for nationwide made service. You want to rank for made service Columbus, Ohio, or Columbus. So I'm guessing it's going to be the same for all your images on here. That one's just carpet cleaning. You'd want to put Columbus in there instead of this 111. Go into your Google, searching carpet cleaning Columbus, Ohio. You'll see there's ads here. These are the better ads. You got to get uh, verified by Google for them. But they are a little bit better than the basic ones. You'll see the basic ones below this if people had them. And then you see the map pack. We'll talk about that in a minute, but going to your competition right here, going to his website. This is what it looks like. You'll notice he has quite a bit of content on here. Putting him in on this, he's got 1699. So to beat him, you'd probably want 2,000 or 2,500. I mean, you could even go 3,000. The more content, the better. You can never have too much. You don't need to go overboard, but it's not going to hurt you to do that. Check in his images. Let's find one. Save image as. Let's see. Master Cleaner Van Web. So he doesn't even have his things saved right. Let's see if we did it for this one. Nope. So that's good. Means he's missing some keywords that he could be putting in his images that would help him. So that means that you can beat him with that as well there. Another tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Go in here, putting your website in. I notice you only have 3 referring domains, 9 backlinks, 2 keywords that Google even recognizes you with. You can come here and see what they are. And it looks like they're all no follow. So they might look good here, but they're no follow. And I don't even know if they're relevant to your industry because not all backlinks are the same. Go into your competitors. You'll notice he has 2,350 backlinks, 216 referring domains. So he's got a lot. And you'll also notice he has 1,300 keywords that he's ranking for. So we would want to come in here. We would want to grab the keywords or the backlinks that he is ranking for or the backlinks that are really good, the strong ones. We don't want the junky ones. Like we won't want this 3. We would want high number ones. This isn't too bad, but this is one we would want to go for. It's no follow though, so we might not want it. They're not all created equal. We want to get one that is specific for cleaning. Like this is Master Dry Cleaners coupons. So that's good. It's relevant to your industry. It looks like he's just putting out coupons, and I mean he's got tons. So he's got a lot of backlinks we can go through. I mean there's thousands of them. But we'd go in there, we'd grab the ones that we want, we'd get the good ones, and then we'd go find other ones to get even better and beat him there. He only has a DR of 5, which is basically, so Google backlinks, the score is one's popularity, the other one's trust, and you want to have high in both of them. And that'll help you with ranking. Going into his keywords, we can see what keywords he has here. You'll notice the most traffic you get is Master Cleaners, which is, I think, that's his business name. But his next one is Carpet Cleaning Columbus, Ohio. He's ranked number 1 for that. There's 350 searches, and he actually gets more than average clicks to his website. Generally, the top one gets about a third. He gets a third would be 115 or something like that. So he gets more. So, but the KD for this one is 28. You can beat 28. You know, it'll take time. It's not something you can instantly do. But let's go in here and see some keywords that might be good for us. So we're just going to search for Columbus and see what ones he's ranking for. That will be easy to grab. So air duct cleaning, Columbus, Ohio. I don't know if you want that. But let's see. Duct cleaning, upholstery cleaning, Columbus, Ohio. So that one right there is 0 KD, super easy to rank for. 60 people searched that a month. He gets 9 of them, being number 2. It won't be hard to rank for that one because it's just 0 KD. You could easily beat him there. You could get the number 1 spot if you wanted there. Let's see. This janitorial services won't be hard. Furniture cleaning, Columbus, Ohio. 30 people searched that a month. 0 KD. Another furniture one, 40 and 0. So we're just going here and find the ones that are really nice. Upholstery cleaning. You know, there's commercial cleaning services, Columbus, Ohio, 74 KD, super easy to rank for. You'll notice people are spending money. This is how much people are spending for ads with Google. So we can come in here. If we were running ads, we'd want to go after ones that are cheap, the cheaper ones, you know, like carpet cleaning, Columbus, Ohio, coupon that, you know, $3.50. Obviously, you'd have to have a coupon for people to click on, but you know, cheaper clicks there. So, you know, we'd come in here, grab the keywords you want, put them to your website, give you some backlinks. It's stuff you can do. You can go get backlinks yourself, guest post, or you can sponsor with the backlink to your website. You know, it costs money. Backlinks are, you know, they can be free. You can go, you know, guest posts are, you know, technically are free, but you got to write the post. You can get free backlinks. You want to make sure you get the ones that are specific to your industry, though. You want to get solid ones. You don't want to get spammy ones. The next part, go into the Google Map Pack. You want to, if you haven't already, you want to set one up. A lot of people go to Google Map Pack and just click off there or call right from there. It's free to do, and you want to set it fully up 100%. You don't want to not set it up fully. It'll help your ranking here. There's only 3 places that rank organically. You have to view more to see the rest. Then the more photos you have, you want to beat your competition with the photos they have. Go in here, you know, click on this guy. I don't know if he has any photos, but he does. So you'd want to beat him with all these photos, as well as citations for the next thing. So I grabbed this guy that was in business for 130 years. I grabbed the 3rd guy there just to see how many citations he has. He has 62. So with whitespark.ca, we can come in here and see what citations he has. Grab them as well. Basically, citations are just directories with your name, phone number, and address on it. And Google uses that. Google Map Pack uses that to rank for the Google Map Pack. So we'd want to come in here and grab. There's thousands of them. Lots of them are free. Some cost money, but you know, you can just go after the free ones. You'd want to beat 62, so you'd want to, you know, get probably 100 at least, just to, you know, beat the citations, help you rank there, and outrank competition in the Map Pack as well as organically on the Google page. Your organic ranking here is going to affect here as well, so you'd want to rank for both. But yeah, if you have any questions, you feel free to talk to me. You're welcome to do whatever you want with the video and the advice given. You can also reach out to me. We can set up a Zoom call or phone call or whatever and go over the next steps if you'd like. Totally up to you. I hope you have a good rest of your day.